So welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an interesting one. Please don't scroll away because there's some Easter eggs that's going to be in this video of some upcoming changes. You're going to want to watch this. Anyways, for this cook, I'm going to have this pork reach an internal temperature of about 144, 145, somewhere in there, and then I'm going to take it out, let it rest. Now I'm running mesquite pellets. I've got the temperature set at 225, and I'm going to use a recipe for a glaze over top of this pork. It's going to be one of the same recipes I'm going to be doing for this big cook coming up that I'll be doing with the guys. So I'm going to do up this pork rib roast today. It's a good piece of meat, and I really enjoy this kind of cut on the pork. Can't beat. What was that? Sounded like a half a slogan to me. Anyways, okay. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of olive oil upon this. That, rub it in. And I'll be using this spice, the barbecue rub, killer hogs. Okay. Get this all around here. Oh, gotta take that off. I don't want that on there. Okay. Now for these ribs here, I kind of like to have them more exposed if I can. Okay, now, where am I at here? First of all, I'm going to put some of this garlic and herb. I'm just going to put some of this on here. Now, I have some upcoming videos coming up very soon. One, I've been working at video I've been working at now for, well, I've been planning this for the last 5-6 months. And you're going to meet all the guys that I've been working with for the years that's come. Now, as I said before, I have some big changes coming up in my channel. So I'm really excited. The year is just beginning. I'm waiting for a little bit warmer temperatures for something big coming up. I'm really looking forward to this event. I'll give you a little bit of rundown on what was going on. When I first started this channel, I had 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers, which I thought was it was pretty good to me. And some of the guys at work asked me, "So what are you going to do, Paul, when you get 10,000 subscribers?" Well, I didn't think I'm going to get no 10,000 subscribers. I said, tell you what, if I get 10,000 subscribers, I'll make something real nice for everybody. Well, the challenge was on me, because I got over 10,000 subscribers and I have to live up to my word. So anyways, there's going to be a big video coming up, and you're going to meet all the guys that I work with. There's going to be a pile of food I'm going to be making up. I'm not going to reveal what it is yet, but I got one little smoker, so this is going to be a real big challenge for me. Now anyways, getting back to at hand, what's going on here. Now I'll put some of this killer hogs on this. I'm not worried about putting a binder on this because it doesn't do much good anyhow, and everything's going to stick to this as it is. There we go, just like that, okay? So please stick around and follow me on this channel, because there's going to be some really exciting things happening. Okay, now I'm going to get ready and put it onto the smoker. Okay? Oh, that looks so good. Nice. Okay, give us a spritz here with some apple juice. Oh, look at that.
Can't beat.
Wait. We'll say the whole damn thing next time, eh? Okay, I'm going to make this sauce. This is the same sauce I'm going to use on the part of the recipe on that big video I was telling you about. It's honey garlic sauce. Pretty much there it is. But I'm just gonna enhance it a little bit. Add some more garlic. Some more honey. A little bit more brown sugar. Okay. Now I'm gonna put that right in the smoker. Let that all bind together. Okay, now I got my honey garlic sauce. Oh, look at that roast. It looks so good. Okay. Oh, look at that. I kind of put it on something a little bit hotter. So I put it onto the barbecue grill to get the heat up on this thing, because otherwise my roast is going to be cooked before I put this thing on. Okay, perfect, just like I want it. Just going to move this on a little bit. Okay, 146.3. Well, I think it's time for them to come off. Now I'm going to wrap this up and let it rest for about a half an hour. Okay, now let's see how this is going to look. Look at that. Just gonna take this for the camera to see. Look at the juices coming out a lot. Oh.
Can't beat.
There goes that slogan again. Next time, finish it off. Okay. There we go. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this video and I'm looking forward to making more. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. There's some more really good videos coming. I'm doing everything I can, guys, okay? Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye now.